I'm getting this cosplay off my bucket list. She is Reira Serizawa or Reira Serizawa from the series Nena by Ayazawa. The main reason why I didn't want to start this cosplay is 1. It's extremely simple and looks better when you have others cosplaying it with you, and 2. I don't want to make the gloves. The gloves scare me. My fabric is this wonderful crinkle satin and I'll be cutting and sewing this into the dress first. I used my own pattern for this and created the bodice with the bust line and then a nice full circle skirt. Sew in a zipper and some lace and my dress is complete. I drag out a sewing pattern for my gloves. Sewing patterns really help when you don't know what to do. I can pattern it out myself, but why do that when I can use one that's already created? This is a simple costume but works great for school or work days when you want to be in cosplay. Check out my YouTube channel for a full in-depth tutorial.